Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw another unreleased character for Cuphead, and this time it's going to be Betty Beet. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw her, and to begin we gotta draw her nose first. It's gonna be very circular, maybe a little bit lopsided. Okay, and then from there we're gonna draw her eye. So right on the top here, we're just gonna draw, it's gonna slant up, and then now for the eyeball. So we're just gonna come down just about the same distance as the nose. And we're gonna draw this one big U shape. And then for the other side, we're gonna continue this curve here, this brow. We're gonna go up, and then now we're gonna draw the other eye. So we're just gonna curve it and then into the nose. Okay, and then now for the inside, so curve, angle, curve. And this one's gonna be opposite, so curve, angle, curve. And let me shade it in so we can see. Okay, so now it looks more like an eyeball. And then let's see, well, let's draw the bottom. Just give her a little bit of bags under her eye. Okay, and then from there we're gonna draw her little eyebrow. So right on the top here, just gonna draw like almost like a bean shape. Okay, and then on this side as well, this one's gonna be a little bit smaller. Okay, and then for the brow, there's gonna be one more line coming down. So like this line goes up and then it's gonna curve down. Alright, so then from there, let's move on to her mouth. So right underneath the nose here, just draw like a sad face. And now we're just gonna give it some thickness, so we're gonna curve it. And we're gonna curve it back up. So it's another bean shape. And then for her teeth, it's gonna be easy. So right in the middle here, on the bottom, just make a little dot. And this is just gonna be like a V shape. And then now we're just gonna zigzag back and forth. And this one's gonna go down and then up. And that's gonna be your teeth. All right, and then from here, right in the corner here, just go ahead and draw a little curve for the sides of her mouth. And then now we can draw her head. So from here, we're just gonna go up. Okay, right to the eyebrow, and then from the eyebrow, we're just gonna curve it all the way around. Okay, so it's gonna be one big curve. Just curve it all the way down. Okay, and then for the bottom, so this one here is gonna be easy. So just kind of pinch it in, and then it's just gonna be three little, almost like a root or like stem. Three little spikes. Okay, and then from there, let's draw her arm. So we're gonna start with this side first. So here we're just gonna draw two little lines. And then now we're gonna continue this. And this is gonna be her thumb. And then on the back here, it's gonna be three fingers. So 1, 2, and 3. Okay. And then on this side, I guess I'll try to erase out that line later. So right here, we're gonna draw two lines for her arms. And again, her thumb. And then it's gonna be three fingers, so 1, 2, 3. Okay, so very easy. And now for the little leaves on the top. So right in the middle, we're just gonna go up. We're gonna curve, just curve it down. And then we're gonna give it a little bit of waviness and just connect back to that. Actually curve it down this way. So, and then from here on the inside. Okay, so that's one, and then we're gonna draw another one. So right in here, we're gonna go up. Just give it a little bit of a variation here. Then we're gonna curve back down into the head. So that's two. And then the taller one here, we're just gonna go up. Again, just a little bit of variation on the tips. And then come back down. And then one more. Right here, we're gonna curve up. And then on this side, we'll curve up, and then we'll give a little bit of a corner there, curve it, and then now from here we're gonna curve this. This is the back side. We're gonna curve it back in. And that's it for this Betty Beet's character. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.